Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today I want to quickly show you the difference between spring twist and this passion twist which I have now. Welcome again to my channel. I mean, winter is coming and soon enough we'll be missing all of the sunlight. That's why I came to make this video outside. The air I used for this passion twist on my head right now is the Freetress Water Wave Air in 22 inches. The video showing me do this one will be, I'll put a link to that in the description. This is going to be a very quick video. I just wanted to show the differences. This is actually spring, this is a passion twist, and I used the Freetress Water Wave Air, and in my hand right here is the spring twist air. This is spring twist air. As you can see, it's always labeled spring twist air. It's the last video on my channel. I mean, the video that comes right before this one. There's a few differences I noticed. I've had this in for a few hours now and I had to just scribble them down, so I'm gonna start reading. So the first thing I would say is that spring twist air, now you use spring twist air for spring twist air, you use crochet air. So far I know you can use the Freetress Water Wave Air and Bohemian Braid Crochet Air for passion twist. I'm yet to see another type of air that will work well for the style. So the next thing is when you're doing spring twist, when you do spring twist, which is this air actually, spring twists are a lot more lightweight than passion twist. Yep, I've done spring twist twice. I've just added this in. These are not exactly heavy, but my spring twists were a whole lot lighter than this in weight. Also, spring twists are a little more uniform. They are kind of more uniform, not like spring twists are very neat and uniform like that, but then as compared with passion twist, they are kind of uniform. Another thing is that spring twist, they require less air to use altogether. Since you're using not so much air, it means it's gonna be cheaper because you won't buy as much air. Like for this style now, I have 6 bags of the Water Wave Air in, but when I did my spring twist I used a 3-pack air, and that was just about, it was less than $30. Another thing is that installing spring twist and passion twist, they take about the same amount of time to install, pretty much depending on the size you're going for. Like some people just like their twist very, very small, but then if you're going for smaller twists, as with braids, you know, if you're going for smaller sizes, you're gonna take longer. But between these and my spring twist, it took pretty much about the same amount of time. And just so you know, these are crochet. Another thing, this Water Wave Air which I have in right here, it can be used to do spring twist, because when I was doing this, some of my twists actually came out as spring twists. So it's a win-win. If you cannot lay your hands on spring twist air, you can always substitute with the Freetress Water Wave Air, at least going by what I know. And also, what else? Should I say I have a preference? I really cannot say I have a preference yet, because I've had spring twist twice. The first time I had them in for a month. The second time, which was last month, I had them in for 3 weeks, a little over 3 weeks. And these ones now, I've only had this in for a few hours, so I can't really say there's the spring twist are my preference or the passion twist are my preference. What I would just say is that I like both styles. Like, this is so cute, and my color, come on now. I was like, I gotta do fall, and I got it. This is the color TT350 ombre and the color TT30. Altogether I have 6 bags on my hair. Yes, it's 6 bags. I have 4 bags of the color TT30, which I put in front, and 2 bags of the color TT350, which is at the back. That's about it. If I think of any other thing, I'll just write it in the video. You have your questions, you can always leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching the video.